a new wave of DeFi and Layer 2 projects is gaining attention as the altcoin market experiences a fresh upswing. Community engagement has become a key factor in driving momentum across several mid-cap tokens. Recent data shows that DeFi and Layer 2 assets are attracting increased trading activity and liquidity. Analysts have noted stronger technical structures forming across several tokens, including Raydium, Ethena, Curve DAO, VeChain, and Optimism. These assets are showing improved technical positioning after recovering from earlier market weakness. The renewed interest in these projects is being fueled by growing ecosystem participation and increased user interactions. This trend is particularly noticeable in the DeFi and Layer 2 sectors, where traders and investors are closely monitoring developments. Raydium, a Solana-based decentralized exchange, has seen a surge in activity as meme coin trading volumes rise on the network. This has led to renewed focus on Raydium's liquidity infrastructure, which is central to its operations. The token has shown signs of improved technical strength following a recent recovery period. Analysts suggest that the community-driven trading activity is playing a key role in supporting short-term momentum. Ethena is another DeFi project that is gaining traction as interest in synthetic dollar protocols grows. This token has attracted more attention from traders and investors who are tracking its performance closely. The increased. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Activity in DeFi and Layer 2 projects is part of a broader market rotation that is being supported by stronger technical indicators. This shift is being driven by a combination of improved technical structures and rising community engagement. Traders are observing that the most popular projects are Raydium, Ethena, Curve DAO, VeChain, and Optimism. These tokens are benefiting from continued high levels of ecosystem participation and growing user interactions. The market is showing signs of renewed interest in DeFi and Layer 2 projects, with traders noting increased liquidity and trading volumes. The next signal to watch is whether this momentum can be sustained as the market continues to evolve. 1. Key mechanism underpinning this movement is the role of on-chain activity and social sentiment. As more traders and users engage with these protocols, the underlying networks become more robust, which in turn can lead to stronger price action. For example, Raydium's position as a decentralized exchange on the Solana blockchain has allowed it to benefit from the broader surge in meme coin trading. This has not only increased the volume of transactions on the platform, but also boosted the token's visibility and utility. Similarly, Ethena's synthetic dollar protocols are attracting attention as they offer a new way to hedge against volatility while still participating in the crypto market. The stakes for these projects are high, as they are competing for user attention and capital in a crowded market. However, the combination of strong technical indicators and active community support is helping them stand out. Curve DAO, VeChain, and Optimism are also showing promise, with each project offering unique value propositions in areas like stablecoin trading, enterprise blockchain solutions, and Ethereum scaling. As the market continues to rotate into these assets, traders will be closely watching for signs of sustained volume and liquidity. A key next signal to monitor is whether these projects can maintain their upward trajectory amid broader market fluctuations. If they can hold. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Onto their gains and continue to attract new users and capital, it could signal a broader shift toward DeFi and Layer 2 adoption. For now, the evidence suggests that these tokens are positioned well to benefit from the current market dynamics. The growing interest in decentralized finance and blockchain infrastructure is a clear indicator that the market is looking for innovation and scalability. As more users and developers engage with these platforms, the potential for long-term growth increases. Whether this momentum will continue to build or face a correction remains to be seen, but for now, the signs are pointing toward a strong and active DeFi and Layer 2 market.